Hi bakers, I'm Crystal the Cake Lady and I'm super excited about today's episode. I'm not going to be sharing one of my favorite recipes with you. I'm going to be sharing one of your favorite recipes with you. Do you remember a few weeks ago when I asked you guys at the end of a video to send in your favorite cake recipes for a chance to win a prize? Well, I've gotten some really great entries and I'm super excited about sharing this first one with you. It's from a viewer named Barbara and it's for Orange Dreamsicle Cake. It is so good. It reminds you of those popsicles you used to eat as a little kid with the tangy orange coating on the outside and the sweet creamy vanilla ice cream in the middle. I used to love those. Why am I just now learning about this cake? Let me show you how easy it is to make. You start with a boxed mix, and when we get to the filling and the icing, you don't even need a mixer. It's nice and simple. And don't worry, I didn't forget about Barbara's prize. Stick around till the end of the video and I can show you what I'm going to send her as a thank you gift from me. Here's what we need for our Orange Dreamsicle Cake. 3 8 or 9 inch pans, and of course, Baker's Joy, an Orange Supreme cake mix, a small box of orange gelatin, a small box of instant vanilla pudding, 4 eggs, 1½ cups of milk, and 1/2 cup of oil. For the filling, we're going to use 1 cup of sour cream, 1 can of crushed pineapple drained, 2 cups of coconut, 2 cups of sugar. We're going to reserve 1 cup of the filling and mix it with an 8-ounce carton of whipped topping from the freezer section to make the frosting. it is, our finished orange dreamsicle cake. I can't wait for you guys to try this recipe. It is a great summertime treat, perfect for a picnic or a barbecue. If you make it, let me know what you think in the comment section below. Oh, and let me show you what Barbara's getting as her prize. As a thank you gift, I'm going to be sending her these kitchen towels and a brand new rubber spatula set. I hope she enjoys these gifts. Don't worry, if you haven't submitted your recipe yet, it's not too late. You can send it to me at crystalthecakelady1@gmail.com, or you can leave them in the comment section below. Thanks again for tuning in, and until next time, happy baking!